Hello everyone, myself Dr. Nidhi Punia, lecturer Civil Engineering Department of Government Ramchandra Khaitan Polytechnic College, Jaipur. Today I'll be discussing the topic Stones of Construction Materials and Equipments CE 209. Building stones. Stones are basically the naturally occurring compact, solid and massive material that make the crust of the earth. अगर टेक्निकली बात करें, the stones are also called as rocks. It is follows that all building stones are rocks in nature, but all rocks may not be useful as building stones. These are the building stones. Stones have been used in all types of constructions and since time immemorial, like the pyramids of Egypt, Eiffel Tower, Temple of Jagannath Puri, Taj Mahal, Red Fort. They have all been made by the stones. Now, classification of stones. The stones can be classified in three ways: जियोलॉजिकली, फिजिकली एंड केमिकली. जियोलॉजिकली अगर बात करते हैं तो स्टोन्स कैन बी क्लासिफाइड एज इग्नियस रॉक्स, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स एंड मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. फिजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन स्ट्रेटिफाइड, अनस्ट्रेटिफाइड एंड फॉलिएटेड. इसी को स्ट्रक्चरली क्लासिफाइड भी बोलते हैं. एंड केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन इज सिलिशियस, आर्जिलेशियस एंड कैल्सरस रॉक्स. Geological classification. This classification is based on the mode of formation of rock from which the building stones are obtained. Three main groups are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are वो rocks होते हैं जो कि अपने फॉर्म होते हैं by the natural process of cooling and crystallization from originally hot and molten magma. These are grouped as igneous rocks. They are the most abundant rocks in the crust. In fact, the igneous rocks are further distinguished by geologists into three subclasses. ये हमारे igneous rocks होते हैं. The plutonic rocks, they are formed at greater depth below the surface. They are exposed on the surface by the erosion of the overlying secondary rocks with the passage of time. इनके एग्जाम्पल हैं ग्रेनाइट, साइनाइट्स एंड गैब्रोस. ये हमारे प्लूटोनिक रॉक्स होते हैं. Volcanic rocks, they are formed on the surface of the earth from lava coming out of the numerous volcanoes that erupt from time to time. Example, basalt and trap. ये volcanic rocks होते हैं. The hyperbasal rocks, they are formed at shallow depths about 2 to 3 km below the surface from magma that could not come out as lava. Rocks known as porphyries belong to this group. Sedimentary rocks. They are the most widespread rocks found covering a great part of the surface of the earth. The sedimentary rocks are formed from any type of pre-existing rock by a simple process of breakdown into smaller particles under the influence of natural agencies like wind, water, ice and other atmospheric gases. The natural process of rock disintegration are called weathering and erosion. Metamorphic rocks. मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स दे आर ओरिजिनली या तो इग्नियस रॉक्स होते हैं या सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स होते हैं. द प्रोसेस फॉर द चेंज अकर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ इंक्रीज टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर एंड केमिकल एनवायरनमेंट इज कॉल्ड मेटामॉर्फिज्म. और जो नया रॉक फॉर्म होता है वो कहलाता है आपका मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. एग्जाम्पल है इसका मार्बल. मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. द नेचर ऑफ चेंज ऑफ एन ओरिजिनल रॉक डिपेंड्स अपॉन द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स. क्या टाइप का एजेंट्स है ऑपरेटिंग, लाइक टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर, केमिकली एक्टिव फ्लूइड एक्सेट्रा. क्या ड्यूरेशन है, कितने ड्यूरेशन तक उसका चेंज हुआ है, एंड द नेचर एंड कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ द ओरिजिनल रॉक. सम ऑफ द कॉमन मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स आर मार्बल, क्वार्ट्ज़ाइट, gneiss, slate and schists. The first three rocks are very good building stones in many cases. Chemical classification. Now, on the basis of dominant chemical composition, the three main groups of rocks are siliceous, argillaceous and calcareous. पहला आता है अपना siliceous. इसमें सिलिका मेन कंपोनेंट होता है. More than 50% of the bulk composition of the rock. These includes variety of quartzites. They are classified among the strongest type of building stones like granite, sandstone and gneiss are also made up of silica. ये siliceous rocks हैं. Calcareous rocks, the dominant component is carbonate, generally of calcium but often with magnesium. Example हैं इसके limestone, dolomite and marbles. Chemical classification. Example argillaceous. They are mostly sedimentary rocks having clay as the dominant constituent. Example shales, slates and schists. Structural classification. Now, broadly, in apparent structures, the rocks may be either found in the different forms of undifferentiated masses or they occur in well-defined layers or sheets. A third category is foliated rocks. पहला आता है अपना massive और unstratified rocks. They occur in huge masses without showing any layered structure in them. Example igneous rocks and metamorphic rocks. आप देख सकते हैं इसमें कोई भी लेयर्स नहीं दिखती है. ये पूरे एक बल्क मास, एक पूरा एक सिंगल मास है ये. स्ट्रेटिफाइड रॉक्स, डिस्टिंक्ट, जिसमें लेयर्स होती है ऑफ सेम एंड डिफरेंट कलर्स एंड कॉम्पोजिशंस. दे हैव डिफरेंट लेयर्स. दीज आर कॉल्ड बेड्स एंड आर सेपरेटेड बाय प्लेन्स एंड वीकनेसेस कॉल्ड बेडिंग प्लेन्स. Foliated. A third group of rock is foliated, in which there is profuse development of well-defined band of different compositions. They do not yield building stones of good quality. Uses of stone. Now, stones can be used in various forms like masonry work के लिए काम में लिया जाता है. Lintels, vertical columns, floors of building, paving of roads and footpaths as the covering materials for buildings, for the construction of roads in form of boulders and aggregates, as an aggregate in cement as well as lime concretes, base material for water and sewage filters, for the manufacture of cement and lime, and in the construction of masonry dams. Stones of good quality and durability are of vital importance. Now, commonly used building stones. पहला आता है आपका ग्रेनाइट. ये फाउंडेशन और बिल्डिंग मटेरियल में काम में लिया जाता है. बसॉल्ट, लाइमस्टोन, marble, slate. The reference of this PPT is by the slide share. Thank you.